What's up everyone? Today we're here at Lamborghini Paramus in Paramus, New Jersey for the 3rd annual Festival del Toro All Lamborghini Rally. This is my first time attending. I'm so excited. Tons of Lamborghinis have showed up already. Got the camera crews, the media cars, which are 2 Uruses. We've got this STO and tons of Lamborghinis over here. It's going to be an amazing day here in New Jersey. So let's take a look at the current Bull lineup. So we've got an LP700 Aventador next to a blue Cephas Huracan Performante. And then behind that we've got another Huracan Performante. And another. So lots of Performantes so far. LP610-4, the original Huracan next to an Evo rear-wheel drive Spider. Gallardo, another Huracan. So as you can see, lots of Gallardos and Huracans. And an SVJ right here. This is really nice. Ooh, black with gold wheels. This looks sick. Love this. Then we've got the brand new Huracan Tecnica. I love these orange accents. Really highlights the Y-shaped pieces. Then we've got another Performante, another 610, Gallardo Huracan, and this really cool STO from New York. So this isn't blue Cephas, this is Blu Laufey, which is an ad personam color, cost over $10,000. And then another STO in Grigio Telesto with the blue contrast pack and an Aventador S. And another new Tecnica. I believe this is Rosso Afesto. Gorgeous spec. What's up? Good to see you. SVJ just pulled up. Same with this Aventador Roadster. So loud. I'm thrilled that the Aventador count is going up. This has a brilliant exhaust. It sounds insane. So the original owner was an ex-Miss Universe contestant who loved Christian Louboutin red bottom shoes so much that she sent a pair to the factory for precise color matching. This is the only SVJ ever painted in this special paint-to-sample color. Here we've got a signature from what looks like Valentino Balboni himself, the former chief test driver of Lamborghini for over 40 years. And we also have the paint sticker. So we made it to this parking lot so we can all regroup. We can check out all the incredible Lambos in one space. So many Lambos, a good amount of Aventadors, so I'm very happy. The drive was incredible, some amazing roads and hills and turns. The Aventador S Roadster is a beast with the Gintani exhaust. It was shooting flames, not that I could see because I was in the car, but the STO behind us, the driver, saw the flames and I believe got it on camera, so I'll try to put that in the video.
Literal flames, guys. Literal flames.
So many loud cars, great driving. The Huracan Avio edition, one of 250 in the world. This color, this is a factory paint color, Grigio Volcano, next to the Pirelli edition Aventador. This really nice SVJ, factory matte green. This is Verde Turbine, which you don't see too often, but it's really cool. I guess a lot of people have the 360 cameras on their cars today, which is nice. The footage is going to be sick. Right behind this SVJ is another SVJ, the black one, and then a Performante Spider, Gallardo with this huge wing. Let's take a look at these Lambos over here. A bunch of Huracans over here. A lot of Performantes today, I must say. So we've got the one of 250 Ultimate Roadster wrapped in this army green. This has an aftermarket exhaust. A lot of these do. I mean, look at this exhaust. Oh my God, it sounds incredible. And it shoots flames, of course, just like the car I'm riding in. This is wild. So it's actually black paint underneath. So then he wrapped it this army green, and he might wrap it another color soon, so that's cool. And then we've got the Christian Louboutin red SVJ. Look at the camera rig on this. Can you explain this quickly?
Yeah, so this is a tilt arm, so basically it's a stabilizer. We control it in the car.
Wow.
Microphone is controlled inside wirelessly.
So you trust these suction cups?
Yeah, it's also mounted with a ratchet strap, but I've went like 120 with this.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, so it's a screen you can see it on?
Yeah.
Nice.
You control it in the car.
Sick. Time to get back in the car. So here we are at our final stop, 1776 by David Burke, the restaurant. All of the Lamborghinis parked out front. What a sight to behold. All the way down there, street parked. This is so cool. And we got more Lambos down there. This past leg was a lot of highway driving. Very fast. We did hit some traffic though. But overall, very fun. Amazing drive. Great day. So that was an incredible day driving around New Jersey in an Aventador S Roadster with the Gintani exhaust and a bunch of other Lamborghinis. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.